आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, let's start this question. This question says let f from R to R be a function defined by fx equals maximum of x and x's cube. The set of all points where fx is not differentiable is option A -1 and 1, option B -1 and 0, option C 0 and 1, option D -1, 0 and 1. So we need to find the points where fx is not differentiable. So first let's define fx. Now as per the definition of fx turns out to be x's cube for x greater than 1, for x less than equal to 1 and strictly greater than 0, fx can be written as x, again x is cube for x is less than equal to 0 and greater than -1, and for x is less than equal to -1, fx can be written as x. So this is a representation of fx. Other representations can also be done, but this will also be a representation. Now we need to check the differentiability of the function at the set points. So at x equals 1, for x equals 1, we need to find the limit x tends to 1 from the positive direction, fx minus f1 by x minus 1, that is equal to, so what would be, it would be x's cube minus 1 by x minus 1, and here the limit. So just mentioning it, the limit x, okay, let's just erase it and it all over again. So this is limit x goes to 1 plus x's cube minus 1 upon x minus 1. That turns out to be limit x tends to 1 from the right direction of x square plus x plus 1. That is again 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. So the right hand derivative is 1. At x equals 1, the right hand derivative is 3, sorry. Let's look at the left hand derivative of fx minus f1 upon x minus 1, that is equal to limit x goes to 1 minus of x minus 1 upon x minus 1, that is plus 1. So since 3 not equals 1, therefore fx not differentiable at x equals 1. Now let's look at x equals 0. So for 0, the right hand derivative is fx minus f0 by x minus 0, limit x goes to 0 plus, that is finally equal to x upon x, and obviously the limit, the said limit, and that is equal to finally plus 1. So that was the right hand derivative. Let's look at the left hand derivative. X goes to 0 minus of fx minus f0 upon x minus 0, that turns out to be x's cube upon x, and again the limit, so that is finally limit x goes to 0 from the left direction of x square, that is 0. So since 1 and 0 are not equal, as 1 not equals 0, therefore fx not differentiable at x equals 0. Now let's look at the point x equals minus 1. Here limit x goes to minus 1 from the right direction of fx minus f1 minus 1 upon x minus 1, that is equal to and the limit also, just forgetting the limit, that is equal to, now here it can be written as a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube turns out to be x square minus x plus 1, which is finally 3. Let's look at the left hand derivative. So that turns out to be limit x goes to minus 1 from the left direction of x minus of minus 1 upon x minus of minus 1, that is equal to plus 1. Again 3 and 1 are not equal, 3 not equals 1, therefore fx not differentiable at x equals minus 1. So fx is not differentiable at 1, 0 and minus 1. So the last option here is the correct one. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।